In this video, I'll show you how to install the car lock system mod in GTA 5 to prevent vehicles from despawning. Check my video description for these mods. Right click on the script hook V and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select this, then put 8.dll and script hook V, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Then go back, open script hook V.net and select this .net.asi 2.dll 3.dll, drag it up inside of a game folder. Once you're done, go back, open this persistence and two EVA scripts folder. Create one if you don't have. If it doesn't have scripts folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to create a scripts folder in GTA 5. Once you created the scripts folder, open the scripts and to a scripts folder and drop all these files inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, park the car you like to lock. Once you are near to the car, you can able to see E. Press E to lock this vehicle and be successfully locked, as you can see. Now the car will be saved in here. I will show you guys close and reopen the game. Once you are in game, you can able to see the same place we parked. The car is still there. Whenever you want to drive this car, press E to unlock the car, and this way you can lock the car in GTA 5. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.